welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shauna the MUA, and I am back. This time I am doing a skincare video with the new Olehenriksen Cold Plunge Mask. So, if you would like to see what my thoughts are and my first impressions on this mask, then keep on watching. But before you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you know the next time that I upload. I'm trying to keep a consistent flow here, so be sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, Shauna the MUA. Olehenriksen came out with the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. To go ahead and cleanse your skin, you want to go ahead and use this afterwards. I want to add cool water to the mask and some benefits of the mask before I get into trying this on. Some benefits are that it deeply purifies and detoxifies. It diminishes the look of pores, reduce and control oil, and improves skin quality. Softens and refines the skin. So basically, you always want to use like a mask, maybe once or twice out of the week, to go ahead and cleanse your skin. If you have oily skin, this balance system, they have a cleanser, toner, and I think a moisturizer that helps with the oil control. So definitely you want to use a mask to help with that, and this will definitely detoxify your skin. So let's get into it. All right, so now I'm going on this side with the mask. Mainly doing it where you really have pores, but putting it all over. So now that I have this mask on, the directions state to leave on for 15 minutes. And then you'll follow up with a moisturizer, toner, and serum and moisturizer of your choice. You'll do this about 2 to 3 times per week. So I am going to go ahead and let this sit for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. So I've had on this mask. As you can see, it has dried down. Yeah. So as I stated, you know, with this mask, it helps to replenish the skin, refine and purify, and give you that ultimate glow. So it helps really clean out those pores, especially if you wear a lot of makeup. It's definitely good to do a mask, really get in those pores, get into that skin and detoxify it. Just wiping this off. So I'm going to add my toner and then I'll be right back. And I went ahead and used the Olehenriksen C Brightening Gel. So as you can see, my skin has a natural glow to it. If I zoom in a little bit, you can still probably see a little bit of my pores, but my pores aren't large. So to me, my first impressions of this Cold Plunge is that I like it because I feel that my skin is extra clean. After you wear makeup for like the entire day, you just want to strip it all away. You want a really clean skin. You really want clean skin. So I would definitely suggest, if you're wearing makeup, you know, the entire week or weekend, I would definitely suggest to go ahead and use this mask. The directions do state that you can use the mask 2 to 3 times per week. So I would recommend the usage because it'll help with the pores over time. Again, this is my first time using it. It's my first impression, so you're not going to immediately see results after one try. I mean, it kind of, you know, maybe minimized a little bit, but for the most part, I still have my pores that didn't really go anywhere in one shot. But my skin do feel extra clean. So would I recommend this product? Yes, because I feel like you do need to have a good facial mask in your skincare routine. One that's really going to detoxify the skin. And not only that, this gives you a natural glow. I believe the mask might retail for maybe $26 or $30. and you can find this at your local Sephora. Or you could go to Sephora.com or Olehenriksen.com and you could get this balance mask. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review today. It's nothing lengthy. I just wanted to come on here and share my thoughts and first impressions on this mask. So if you guys try out this mask, be sure to leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below if there's any other videos or products that you guys would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.